In this video, I'll show you how to use standby mode on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and also the Air. So the first thing you need to do is to make sure that this feature is enabled on your iPhone. First thing, open Settings, go down into the settings until you get to standby, right over here. Tap and make sure this is turned on. There's also different options. For example, if you tap on display, you'll be able to set up if you want your display to turn off after 20 seconds in standby mode, never, or automatically. Automatically simply means that your iPhone will decide when to turn it off. For example, if the room is dark, well, it will turn it off. Not many people want to leave it to automatically, honestly. Maybe you wanted to set it to never, so make sure to check this out. And here you have other options, like if you want on preview mode to see your notification or not. Anyway, once you have enabled this feature, you simply have to connect your phone to a charger. Could be using the USB Type-C port, or if you have a MagSafe or wireless charging pad, well, it works the same way. Your iPhone needs to be charging. So I'll put mine over here just to demonstrate. Okay, press the side button over here, the power button, so that it's in sleep mode, and then turn your iPhone sideways the way I did. This is how standby mode is activated. The first time you're going to use standby mode, you're going to get this display. Press continue. Now it's very easy to edit these widgets. So over here you see there's a clock. You can swipe up and down, and you're going to have a series of, I think, 6 widgets or maybe a bit more that you can shuffle around like this. Now maybe these are not widgets that you want. Then you simply have to keep press that widget, and you can delete the ones that you don't want to have in your carousel. Let's say I don't want these, and add new ones by clicking the plus icon on the top left corner. Over here you have the apps, add widget, and the widget will be added to the carousel, as you see. And you can add many of these, let's say maps, whatever it is. And once you're done, click done, and that widget will be added again to the carousel. Same thing on the other side, there's another carousel that is separated. So you can do the same thing by keeping press, deleting the one that you don't like, and adding more to that carousel. You can also swipe towards the right side, and this is a photo display. It will display pictures that are in your photo gallery. Right now this is a brand new phone, so there is nothing. This is why you're not seeing anything. You can also keep press the plus button, and this way you'll be able to display pictures in a specific album. If you don't want your iPhone to shuffle through random pictures, probably some that you don't want other people to see. And if you swipe again, you're gonna have a big nice clock. Tap on it and you can shuffle through different designs. If you keep press on it, you can also click this button over here, change the color of that giant clock, press done, and it will stay there. At the moment you remove your phone from the charging device, standby mode will completely go away by itself. You don't have to touch anything, and next time simply drop your phone on the charger and it will come back the same way it was previously, on the same page. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next video.